At this location, you're basically 5 minutes away from Puerto Seco Beach and many other places in Discovery Bay. I mean, it's a nice chill out spot to be at. I actually review it, and I'm going to put the link of my review in the comment bio or the description section. It has a nice pool. It's a Jamaican owned property. It's a small hotel. All right, but they keep it very clean, and you know, the layout is nice and the rooms are also very sophisticated. Today is kind of a rainy day, so you know, you're not going to get to see the beauty the way you want to see the beauty, but nonetheless, it is a great hotel to be at. And if you have anywhere that you want Kareem's Quest to review, you let me know. All right, you send me an email. And remember, you can get my free magazine, Explore Jamaica, so that you can find places. So I kind of compile a list of places that you can get and you can go to and explore Jamaica in its fullness. All right, as usual, you're always welcome to join.